people, welcome back. I'm Anna and today we are following a Bob Ross tutorial. I have my setup here, which is not ideal, but it's working. I've been super intimidated to film this video because obviously Bob Ross is like a super talented artist and most of us aren't. So it's definitely difficult to emulate anything that he does. But it's all in good vibes and we're all quarantined anyway, therefore gotta do things that make you happy. So this is the thing I'm doing today that makes me happy, where I'm painting a little bit and just taking you guys on the journey with me. Let's get to it.
I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to the 21st Joy of Painting series.
I don't have the exact colors that are his brands because, as I said, we're quarantined, so I didn't really have time to go out and buy his exact brand, but I'm gonna work with what we have here, which is not a lot. Dark sienna. What color is sienna? What color is sienna? He's asking for dark sienna. What color is that? So from what I found online, dark sienna happens to be like a burnt brown almost, but it's pretty much burnt sienna. So I think I can make this darker by just mixing it with black. I think that may be what I want to do because I don't have obviously the exact colors. I'm just wait, but that one's burnt sienna, but this one's also burnt sienna, and they're so different. They say the exact same thing. I go. Do you guys see this? They both say burnt sienna, but they're clearly very different colors. Before he even paints anything, there's already paint on his canvas. He calls it a black yeso. I've never worked with black yeso before, so I don't even know what he's talking about, but I'm gonna try to recreate it with just my paint, which may be big mistake, but there's no mistakes, just happy accidents. Also, I don't have an easel yet. I ordered it online and it didn't arrive on time, and I really did want to film this video, so we're just gonna work with what we have. And this is what we got so far. Trying to replicate this. And he has some yellow or like green on top, so we're gonna try to add that. And this was my technique. I just straight up put it in there and hopefully I can. Nope, I cannot. This was a horrible technique and I regret it. I'm sorry, Bob. Please don't be disappointed in me. I'm sorry. I'm trying my best.
We'll start. We'll just do some little X's, little crisscross strokes.
Holy shit, I didn't paint my canvas white before I started painting it.
And we'll work all the way across the top. And the color is continually mixing with the liquid.
I really should have painted it white. It's so hard to blend now. It's so hard for like the color to go on the canvas. Guys, he already has a happy little sky and I'm struggling. So I decided to sheet and add a lighter blue, this one right here, onto the way because it's supposed to go dark, light, white. So I cheated and I may regret it. So we'll see what happens. I'm on my period and it's making me really emotional that I can't get it to look like a sky. I'm so not ready for this. I'm literally shaking. Okay, that's where my mountain lives. And now I'm supposed to go down here. Oh boy. I'm panicking. This is where my mountain lives. And now I'm supposed to go this way like this. It's a mountain. It's a mountain, guys. It's a mountain. He keeps talking about how great it is to have the liquid white on your canvas, and I didn't make good at it. I don't have it. So every time I make a mistake, it's like his voice is there to remind me I should have put the liquid white. I'm struggling. But at least I made mountains, and they actually look decent. Okay. So he barely has any white in his canvas anymore, and I still have a lot of white. Like, let me show you guys. You see, I still have a lot of white, and he barely has any white in his. So I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do with that space. Like if I want to cover it with more mountains or if I want to add some blue. I don't know. His mountains kind of disappear into lighter blue at the bottom. So I'm thinking maybe I'll add some light blue and white at the bottom of the mountains to kind of so they look a little more like his. I don't know if that makes sense. Well, I'm already doing it, so if it flops, it flops. Oh my god. Why did I do that? I'm gonna add more white and try to make it lighter. Bob, why am I like this? Why am I the way that I am, Bob? Maybe if... Nope, that was a mistake. Happy accidents.
I just want to flavor this a little.
Flavor this.
Just enough to flavor it. And let that knife just float. Let it float. Let it float. Right down the side of the mountain. Like about where light would strike. Okay, let's go right in here. Zoom. Can make a little noises or it doesn't work right.
Zoom.
Just
Why is his zoom so much better than mine? So far, not great, but also not terrible. The mountains look like mountains, like if the painting ended right here, you would know they're mountains. The sky looks kind of, but mountains. Obviously, his mountains look like photograph mountains, and my mountains are like, but they're mountains. I actually like it a little more now, even though it doesn't have like the white horizon line that he did, but I really like it a lot more now that I covered that white. This is a very bright green, so I hope I don't mess up what I do like about my painting so far.
and tap. Most important here, we need to follow these angles.
Follow the angles of
Need
the
to follow
mountain.
these angles. If you don't, it just absolutely won't look right. Take some Prussian blue.
Prussian blue. I actually have Prussian blue.
Black. Maybe even a saccharine. We'll just mix all those together. Just mix them together. Make a big old pile of dark color here. It should look black. Should look black.
It looks black. Wow, I'm doing this. Whoa.
Right there. We just use the corner of the brush.
I want a happy evergreen tree.
Just go back and forth.
Right
Easy. Let's give him a few friends. We don't want him to get lonely back here. Oh gosh, with this seem like he's got to look.
Why is he so cute? Seriously.
Seriously.
Why is he such an adorable
He's
human?
just too nice for him to keep for himself.
Clearly, the trees of the mountains are struggling, but I'm actually not upset about these. They look like they could, in a very weird place, on Earth be trees. Okay, so this is the progress so far. We did some trees here. Now he wants to paint a big evergreen here. I don't think I'm ready for that, but at the same time, I do want to cover this green thing here because I don't like it. So let's do it. Guys, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. But please wait for me. I'm not on your level. You have to wait for me. This is what we got so far. I have been able to kind of get over the green, even though it still does bother me, but like overall it doesn't look awful. He's done, and I'm not 100% with what's happening down here, because his is like so much better. Like it definitely looks like water, I think, but I don't want to keep doing things and maybe ruin it, so I think I'm gonna stop too. Look guys, I think I kind of didn't do as bad as I thought I would. I'm definitely happy I did it though. Hopefully my job editing is way better than my job filming, because this was really hard to film. And my setup is not the best, but we did it. I'm very happy that I got to do this one. This was actually in my bucket list. I don't remember exactly the item number, but I'm gonna put it on here somewhere. But yeah, I've always wanted to follow along to a Bob Ross tutorial because it's just like such a known thing. And I always wanted to do it, so I completed it today. I'm very happy. And I actually don't hate my painting. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I love you all. Stay safe. Watch your hands. Do all the things. Love you all. Have a wonderful week. Mwah.